Hi everyone. We rebuild cars, buy them from the insurance companies through the auction system. We mostly buy from Copart, sometimes other auctions, but mostly Copart. And we figure we share the process with you of what it takes to rebuild one of these cars. And our first project that we're going to show you is a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, the Sport model with 7,000 miles that we purchased from Copart. We purchased this vehicle as a theft recovery vehicle, and we're going to take a walk around, take a look, see what's missing, what got stolen. So obviously at the hood, grill, front bumper's missing, flares are missing, wheels are missing. Got a little residue from the tape when they had it taped up so they will keep the water out. Top's missing. Interior's dirty, but there. In the front, it's all there. So, looks like not too much stuff's missing. Alright, well, the car runs and drives. I didn't see anything missing off the engine, so that's always a good thing when they run and drive. Everything looks there. Got a brand new battery. But noticing that this is bent, so it doesn't look characteristic of a theft recovery. Actually, this is bent also. Well, we got some overspray here, so we gotta investigate a little further. It's leading me to think that this car was in an accident previously. The hinges have touch up on them. Well, actually, you can see here, these are not factory style pinch welds, spot welds, all the way down. Actually, the quarter, all the rockers. Take a look. Oh, well, yeah. Definitely this thing has been in an accident previously. The plastics are not on right. The hinges are way off. This plate here was replaced. That's not even welded on. Yep, got some overspray on the rubber. Quarters damaged behind there. Yep. Definitely. Let's take a look at the gaps. Yeah, gaps are all off. So this thing's definitely been, I would say, side swiped, because the whole side looks like it's been replaced. Let's get it up in the air and see what we got going on underneath. Alright, so we got this up in the air. Let's take a look. Right off the bat, notice also a little damage here on this front brace. Alright, so even more to to show us that it was sideswiped and probably hit in the wheel is the brand new upper oil pan, which from our experience from other Jeeps that we've had, when it's hitting the wheel, well, actually it's missing the drive shaft. So almost 100% guaranteed that it was hitting the wheel, sideswiped the whole side, and when it was hitting the wheel, it busted the drive shaft, busted the upper oil pan, and there's a little bit of evidence left here on the bell housing from when the drive shaft broke loose. And you put this back in place, and it looks like the axle that they replaced it, because it's got a little bit more rust than normal. The front boots are torn, so for 7,000 miles, that's not normal. They got some disconnect adjustable sway bar links. Alright, so we're gonna have to check this out, make sure that they didn't put a drive shaft on there because it has the wrong gearing in it. So we're definitely gonna have to make sure to check out the gearing on the front axle to make sure it matches up the rear and what is in the car originally. Otherwise, if we have a different ratio, we're gonna have a problem down later on the road. Rest looks like just normal dirty. Looks like we're missing something here, some kind of brace, missing a bolt. Some scrapes here. The back end, I don't see anything that jumps out at me. Luckily I don't see any frame damage, but we're still gonna measure it out, make sure that it's square. Back end, shocks are damaged, but that's normal for when you get them from Copart or from any auction, because the forklifts that they use to carry the cars and the way they carry them. Looks like they had some kind of drop down bracket for their lift kit that they put on, but I think we are gonna get rid of that and put a real lift kit on here, but we'll see. Alright guys, so we've assessed most of the damage, saw that it wasn't just a theft recovery, it had previous damage. So our first priority is to fix what wasn't fixed correctly the first time, so that this Jeep is 100%. Because we're planning to make this a custom Jeep, we haven't exactly decided on what we're going to do, but it's definitely not going to be a stock Jeep. So in the next video, we'll start tearing it apart to see exactly how much work we have installed for us from the previous accidents. But otherwise, stay tuned, see what this turns into. It's going to be a custom Jeep. I'm sure it's going to look great. Make sure you subscribe, that way you guys can catch the next video, see what we're doing, what we have planned for it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you subscribe and watch the rest of them. Thank you.